Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to extract uh, the data from a PDF file here. So all the text we will extract and save it inside a TXT file. So this is actually a sample PDF file which we will be working here. For this I have written a simple Python script. So once I run this Python script, you will see all my text will be saved here to output.txt. So once I open this, you will see all the text from the PDF file has been extracted and saved inside this TXT file. So now for building this application, we are using this package. So you just need to install this pip install PyMuPDF. So this is essentially this package here. We are using it PyMuPDF. So simply install this package. I have already installed it, and now I will show you step by step how to do this. So first of all, you just need to import this package PyMuPDF. Then we just need to initialize this package. It contains this function which is open, which will actually open this PDF file. First of all, just pass the address of the where the PDF file is stored. Then we declared a variable here where we'll be storing all the text which will be extracted. Then we loop through all the pages in the PDF by this for loop, and then we actually store all the extracted text. So this actually contains this function here, get underscore text, which will actually extract all the text from the PDF file and store it inside this variable text. So we are looping through all the pages here in this for loop. So after extracting all the data, now we just need to print the text in the command line, and also we need to save this inside a TXT file. So if I run this now, the script here, it will actually print this data right here. Now we just need to store it inside a file. For saving it, we use the open function in Python, and we simply provide the file name in which the data will be stored. So this will be in write mode, and here we'll be providing the encoding type UTF-8, and then we simply use the write function to write all the data. So once I now execute the script here, you will see it will also create a file in the left hand side. So result.txt is created here. So if I open this, you will see all the text is successfully extracted from the PDF file and save it as a TXT file. So in this way, this is actually the Python package that you can use here, PyMuPDF. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.